Quiet on set. Rolling. Action.
The BFI Film Academy is
life-changing,
eye-opening, unique,
inspiring,
encouraging,
inclusive,
diverse,
helpful,
motivational,
and loads of fun.
The BFI Film Academy is for talented 16 to 19-year-olds. We deliver 50 courses across the UK. They gain specialist skills on our courses so that they can work towards a career in the film industry.
They want to learn about the different roles in the industry, and they want to learn about the next steps, and they want to learn about getting their foot in the door. This provides them with a really good opportunity.
We offer specialist courses in documentary, animation, script writing and craft skills.
How are you feeling anyway?
Alive.
We've talked to editors, directors.
It gives you much more of a rounded appreciation of what goes on the film set.
We work with cameras and boom mics.
Learning from people who are at the top of their game.
It's given me hands-on experience and contacts as well.
At the time I didn't have any film experience and they still gave me that first chance.
We've had masterclasses with professionals and they talk to us about how they began.
It's great to finally have a sense of community. People from all sorts of places come together and relate to each other.
The young people that graduate have access to a number of opportunities, which includes mentoring programs and a traineeship program.
We place young people in the industry. We work with Lucasfilm, we've worked with Disney, and we've worked with Eon on Bond.
The BFI Film Academy gives Lucasfilm such a passionate group of people. It enhances creativity and innovation on our sets.
It got me the role of script trainee on The Rise of Skywalker.
I would never have been on Black Widow if it hadn't have been for the Academy.
the alumni care is so strong.
Definitely helped me to create my own production company for marginalised groups.
If you want to do film, it's something you should definitely look to do.
It opens a lot of doors.
I'm loving this experience.
We want to make sure that voices are heard from across the UK, and we want to make sure that the BFI Film Academy supplies the next generation of young filmmakers to the film industry.